Yeah, hello. In this video, let us do some question and answer session. That's a great way to master the method for answering the PMP exam. Now, the first question is, your developer has provided you with an estimate based on the cost per line of code. What type of estimate did the developer use to provide this information? So here the key is cost per line of code, and here we are talking about an average cost per line of code based on historical information. And the answers given here are parametric estimation, bottom up, analogous, and PERT. Analogous you can rule out because it is just comparing and taking, so that can be ruled out. And bottom-up estimation, that is also can be ruled out. PERT estimate is a 3-point estimate based on optimistic, pessimistic, and the most likely values. So that also can be ruled out. So here the correct answer would be parametric estimation, because parametric estimation is always linked to taking averages. You have a set of data points and you take an average of it, so that is parametric. And parametric is always more accurate than analogous. Analogous is all about comparing with something else, a past similar activity, and then estimating. Parametric, you have multiple data points, you take an average. So here the key is the ability to read the question and understand the question word by word. The moment we do that, we can eliminate, out of the 4 choices given, we can easily eliminate 2, and the challenge is in picking up the most correct from the remaining. And if you have the subject knowledge, then it is easy. The subject knowledge can be accomplished by attending our course either online or classroom, and the focus is given in imparting the subject knowledge, because once your foundation is strong, then answering these questions are very, very easy. And don't get overconfident. Read the question word by word, try to understand it, and then answer to the question. There is enough time because the PMP exam is about 200 questions to be answered in 240 minutes, that is 4 hours. There is sufficient time, so don't panic about time. Read the question carefully, understand the real question, and then answer to the question. That is the challenge. Let us move on to the next question. A definitive estimate is top down, created during initiation. That is wrong. It's within a range of -10 to +25, so this is also wrong. This is wrong. A definitive estimate can be bottom up as well, so it need not be always top down. So this is wrong. This is wrong. A definitive estimate is definitely the most expensive to create because the work involved is very high. So yeah, so it's all about picking the most correct answer from a set of almost correct answers. So of the given choices, you have to pick up the most correct answer. So that is a challenge. Let us move on to the third question. All of the following are inputs to the cross-budgeting process except cost estimate is definitely an input. Project schedule, yes. Project schedule, all of the following are inputs to the cost budgeting. Yes, project schedule. Because budgeting means it is not estimation, you are freezing the budget. So it is project schedule is an input. Risk management plan is an input. The last one, duration estimates, maybe, yeah, that is the, so this is the right answer. Now, fourth question, analogous estimating is a tool or technique used in both time and cost management process. What is the best description of how analogous estimating is performed? As we discussed earlier, analogous is all about comparing the present activity with a past similar activity and then estimating. Uh, what is the best description of how analogous estimating is performed? By bottom-up estimation? No. Obtaining management options of the estimate for each task? No. By top-down estimating techniques? Maybe. And based on historical cost? No, because if you have historical data, then you can always go with parametric. Analogous is not required. So the first one can be rolled out. Obtaining management options of the estimate for each task? No way. By top-down estimating techniques? Maybe. And based on historical cost? No, because that is parametric. So every question you will get 4 options, and out of that 2 can be eliminated very easily, and the challenge is in picking up the one and the most right answer from a set of maybe a couple of almost right answers. So this is how you must approach it. So the best insurance is have a sound knowledge of the body of knowledge. Then approaching the test is much easier than trying to do the test straight away, because your base is weak and you will never be confident. So best policy would be to master the subject first, then approach the test. Again, just the knowledge alone of the body of knowledge alone will not help you to pass the final exam. Exam practice is critical. So please do exam practice after understanding the subject, then go for the final exam. Then you can clear it on the first go itself. Thank you.